Hi, I'm back behind my potato bed, and it is 4th of July, guys. You guys were just out here with me harvesting all of the garlic. I'm gonna sneak in here and see if I can steal some potatoes for potato salad today. We're smoking a chicken and we want some potato salad, so I'm gonna reach in my hand in here and see what we can find. So rather than pull up an entire plant to, whoops. Okay, sorry about that. So rather than pull up an entire plant to get new potatoes, the only way I've ever done it is I just dig around at the bottom and try to find one that I can easily sneak out. Oh, I feel one. Little potato. Oh, still another one. That way you don't, oh no, that's just dirt. Well, I say that to say I've only ever grown potatoes the Ruth Stout method, so it's much easier. And this year, guys, I'm planting my potatoes in dirt for the first time. So maybe now I understand why you do that. Let's pull one out and see. Oh, wow. Nothing. Oh, guys. I might have made such a mistake not planting my potatoes in Ruth Stout. From 2 plants. That's all I got. They should be much further along than that. Oh my goodness, that's terrible. Terrible, terrible. And the soil's really loose, guys. This is good soil. It's not bad soil. They're nice potatoes. They're just really just 1 potato per plant. They're already past their flowering stage too. That's why I know they've set the potatoes they're going to set. The only difference between now and final harvest would be size. Like, this is the original seed potato, I can tell. It's cracked, it's just not rotten yet. Put him back down in there. That's disappointing, highly disappointing. So let's see how many plants I pulled up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I pulled up 12 plants and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, I kid you not, 12 teeny tiny potatoes. Guys, that's bad. That's not good. You better believe Ruth Stout is coming back to my garden next year for potatoes alone. This is unheard of. This is ridiculous. Now, I'm sure there's other things that attributed it to it. I don't know what, but I'm sure there are. But regardless, I haven't gardened any differently. Methodology with respect to watering, amendments, nourishment, outside of, I planted these in my soil bed this year versus planting them in my Ruth Stout bed. I'm not doing that next year. Well, we will have a very tiny potato salad. I will add a lot of hard-boiled eggs and pickles to it to make it stretch for, it's just Todd, myself, and Cameron. So this will be fine. But, oh, what a bummer. Anyway, not going to ruin my day. Happy 4th of July, guys. Talk to you later.